Congratulations to the 56 people that have hired me to help them take home a vehicle. I have saved them over $300,000 since I started helping people negotiate their cars. $300,000 has been kept out of millionaires' pockets. To the folks that hired me, thank you very much. Trusted me enough to help them save a bunch of money on a vehicle. No matter where you live, California, Florida, North Carolina, Minnesota, I've helped folks everywhere, and I want to help you buy a new pre-owned. You want to buy it from somebody off of the street, I will help you no matter what type of vehicle you're looking for, no matter your credit score, no matter how you're looking to pay for it, finance, lease, you want to just pay cash for it. I can help you purchase any vehicle. And if you want me to haggle something else for you, I could do that too. I've had a couple people ask me about jet skis. I can help you no matter where you live. Please let me be your car haggler. Thank you.